In this video, I want to show you how to install the Tocol screen protector on your iPhone 17. It's quite easy, but there's a few steps we need to do in a certain order to make this work. So let me demonstrate how it is done. So in the box, you'll get this package that has certain things to clean the phone before starting, and two screen protectors, one in this small pouch over here and the other one is already installed in this orange frame. Technically, we will not need the second screen protector at this moment. This is for future usage. The first step is to take one of these alcohol pads and we will need to wipe the screen of the iPhone. Make sure there's no smudges, there's no fingerprints anywhere. Next step is to take the microfiber and to wipe the screen. Remove any liquid that may still be present on the display. Then take this dust absorber. It's actually a sticker. And we're going to make sure there's no dust present. Now the screen of the iPhone turns on, as you see. So I always suggest you try to turn off the iPhone if you see that it keeps turning on, just so we see the dust better. Next, put the phone on a table when you're sure that there's no dust, no smudges on it. Take the screen protector with the frame and you're going to place it with the pull tab towards the bottom of the phone. You see, this is the bottom where the charging port is. You're going to place it above it like this. Keep the frame pressed down on the table so it doesn't move and pull this latch or this little thing over here. Do not pull it towards yourself. Don't pull it up. Pull it towards the right side. Okay, so let me do it with you. I'm keeping the frame pressed with my left hand and I will simply pull gently on this tab towards the right side completely. Just like this. And now just wait in this position. You can also release the case. You don't have to press it. And as you see, I don't know if it's visible, but the screen protector is installing itself. Just wait until it's done. All right, it seems that it's completely done. It took around, I would say, 12 seconds, 30 seconds. You better wait 20 seconds, 30 seconds, just to make sure that it is done. Now you can go ahead and lift the orange case. Okay, it may seem to be stuck, but it's not. If you see that there is some bubble present, as you see here and there, it's possible. Take this device. It came included with the cleaning stuff in the box. And you can slightly lift the corner where the bubble is. Okay, let me do it. And then with this, simply push the bubble away towards the extremity so it goes out. The last step is to remove the film. So simply take one hand and slowly remove it. And this is it. The screen protector has been installed, and as you see, there's no bubbles and it's almost as it's not there if you look closely. The only way to know that there is one is if you look on the side, it's slightly raised compared to the display, but it's barely noticeable from any angles. So this is it. If you want to get one of these screen protectors, check my Amazon links down below. I think they're the easiest to install and probably one of the screen protectors that you won't even notice it's there. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.